Welcome back to our channel today. We're diving into a topic that's all about relaxation and pain relief, and we've got a game changer on our hands. Get ready to explore the incredible benefits of using Epsom salt for your well-deserved moments of tranquility and relief. Epsom salt, named for a bitter saline spring at Epsom in Surrey, England, is not actually salt, but a naturally occurring pure mineral compound of magnesium and sulfate. Long known as a natural remedy for a number of ailments, Epsom salt has numerous health benefits, as well as many beauty, household, and gardening-related uses. Studies have shown that magnesium and sulfate are both readily absorbed through the skin, making Epsom salt baths an easy and ideal way to enjoy the associated health benefits. Magnesium plays a number of roles in the body, including regulating the activity of over 325 enzymes, reducing inflammation, helping muscle and nerve function, and helping to prevent artery hardening. Sulfates help improve the absorption of nutrients, flush toxins, and help ease migraine headaches. Explore MLORE Salt 100 and 1 Salt 100 and 1 Home Bath Salt Guide benefits of Bookhicker Epsom salt uses and benefits gardening with Epsom salt making bath salts bath and salt water therapy. Baliotherapy UAHAT RTA Health Benefied Sets of using Epsom salt. The wonders of Epsom salt have been well known for hundreds of years and, unlike other salts, has beneficial properties that can soothe the body, mind, and soul. Some of the countless health benefits include relaxing the nervous system, curing skin problems, soothing back pain and aching limbs, easing muscle strain, healing cuts, treating colds and congestion, and drawing toxins from the body. One of the simplest ways to ease stress and stress-related problems is to soak in a tub full of hot water with a few cups of Ultra Epsomer salt. The benefits of Epsom salt baths have been utilized for years. Some of the notable benefits of Epsom salt include: eases stress and relaxes the body. Stress drains the body of magnesium and increases levels of adrenaline. When dissolved in warm water, Epsom salt is absorbed through the skin and replenishes the level of magnesium in the body. The magnesium helps to produce serotonin, a mood-elevating chemical within the brain that creates a feeling of calm and relaxation. Research shows that magnesium also increases energy and stamina by encouraging the production of adenosine triphosphate, the energy packets made in the cells. Experts believe that bathing with an Epsom soaking solution at least 3 times a week helps you to look better, feel better, and gain more energy. Magnesium ions also help you relax and reduce irritability by lowering the effects of adrenaline. They create a relaxed feeling, improve sleep and concentration, and help muscles and nerves to function properly. Relieves pain and muscle cramps. An Epsom salt bath is known to ease pain and relieve inflammation, making it beneficial in the treatment of sore muscles, bronchial asthma, and migraine headaches. In addition, it has been known to heal cuts and reduce soreness from childbirth. Mix a thick paste of Epsom salt with hot water and apply to get soothing comfort. Try soaking your aching, tired, and smelly feet in a tub of water with half a cup of our Ultra Epsom salt. Epsom salt softens skin and will even neutralize foot odor. Helps muscles and nerves function properly. Studies show that Epsom salt can help regulate electrolytes in your body, ensuring proper functioning of the muscles, nerves, and enzymes. Magnesium is also known to be critical in the proper use of calcium, which serves as a main conductor of the electric impulses in your body. Those suffering from arthritis and other inflammatory conditions can benefit from reduced swelling and pain relief from an Epsom salt bath. Helps prevent hardening of arteries and blood clots. Epsom salt is believed to improve heart health and help prevent heart disease and strokes by improving blood circulation, protecting the elasticity of arteries, preventing blood clots, and reducing the risk of sudden heart attack deaths. Makes insulin more effective. Proper magnesium and sulfate levels increase the effectiveness of insulin in the body and can help to lower the risk or severity of diabetes. Relieves constipation. Numerous studies have revealed that Epsom salt can be used to treat constipation. Taken internally, Epsom salt acts as a detoxifying agent for colon cleansing. The salt acts like a laxative by increasing water in the intestines and can bring about temporary relief from constipation. However, it is strictly warned that Epsom salts should not be used to relieve constipation without the consultation of a physician. Eliminates toxins from the body. The sulfates in Epsom salt help flush toxins and heavy metals from the cells, easing muscle pain and helping the body to eliminate harmful substances. Your skin is a highly porous membrane, and adding the right minerals to your bathwater triggers a process called reverse osmosis, which actually pulls salt out of your body and harmful toxins along with it. For a detoxifying bath, at least once weekly, add 2 cups of our Ultra Epsom salt to the water in a bathtub and soak for 10 minutes. What are some uses of Epsom salt? Whether you like a relaxing soak or wish to enhance your beauty effortlessly, making Epsom salt a part of your daily routine can add a whole lot of goodness to your way of life. To experience the numerous health benefits of Epsom salt, take relaxing, stress-relieving Epsom salt baths 3 times weekly by adding 2 cups of Ultra Epsom salt to a warm bath and soaking for at least 12 minutes. For the added benefit of moisturizing your skin, add 1 and 2 cup olive oil or baby oil. Do not use soap as it will interfere with the action of the salts. Try to rest for about 2 hours afterward. If you have arthritic joints, move them as much as possible after an Epsom salt bath to prevent congestion in the joints. For a foot bath, pamper weary feet by adding 1 and 2 cup of Epsom salt to a basin of warm water. Relax and soak feet for 20 minutes. If you like, rub away any calluses using a pumice stone. Dry feet, then add 2 drops of peppermint essential oil to your favorite natural moisturizer, like shea or coconut butter, and rub in thoroughly to lock in the moisture. If you are pregnant or have any health concerns, check with your doctor before using Epsom salts. Epsom salt uses. Health. Athlete's foot. Soak feet in an Epsom salt bath to help relieve the symptoms of athlete's foot. Remove splinters. Soak affected skin area in an Epsom salt bath to draw out the splinter. Treat toenail fungus. Soak your affected toes in hot water mixed with a handful of Epsom salt 3 times a day. Soothe sprains and bruises. Add 2 cups of Epsom salt to a warm bath and soak to reduce muscle soreness, pain, and the swelling of sprains and bruises. Ease discomfort of gout. Ease the discomfort of gout and reduce inflammation by adding 2 to 3 teaspoons of Epsom salts into a basin and immersing the affected foot/joint. The water should be as hot as it is comfortable. Soak for about 30 minutes. Epsom salt uses. BOD. Exfoliate dead skin. In the shower or bath, mix a handful of Epsom salt with a tablespoon of bath or olive oil and rub all over your wet skin to exfoliate and soften. Rinse thoroughly. Exfoliating face cleanser. To clean your face and exfoliate skin at the same time, mix a half teaspoon of Epsom salt with your regular cleansing cream. Gently massage into skin and rinse with cold water. Dislodge blackheads. Add a teaspoon of Epsom salt and 3 drops of iodine into a half cup of boiling water. Apply this mixture to the blackheads with a cotton ball. Remove foot odor. Mix a half cup of Epsom salt in warm water and soak your feet for 10 minutes to remove bad odor. Soothe achy feet and soften rough skin. And there you have it, folks. The wonders of Epsom salt for relaxation and pain relief. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our future content. Share your experiences with Epsom salt in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Thanks for watching.